Hi everyone, you're watching LaLiLu.
What do we have here? Hey guys, just chilling on the beach. Aw, what a cute dumpling.
Hey, did you see that?
There's a mermaid! Oh my gosh!
Greetings from the ocean floor. You're invited to an underwater ball.
Wow.
For you two.
Yay!
Now we just need to pick your looks.
Me first, let's go. Wow, a purple diamond!
My turn. Hop. A golden diamond, awesome!
My turn, and a pink diamond. Yay!
Perfect, let's start with you.
Yes! Wow, this place is amazing.
Let me see your ticket. Ta-da! Look,
Whoa, what's that?
a shell wardrobe. So cool, right? Hop inside.
Everything's so sparkly.
Gather the diamonds.
I want them all right away. LaLiLu, I got them.
Bring them over here.
Hey, baby, are you Shh,
Let him rest for now. Let's open the first diamond. Cutting it open. There's a balloon inside. Wow, what's this?
I drew a sketch. I want a tail like this. See? And a fin is a must.
Looks super trendy. Cut the balloon right here. Yep, carefully. Perfect, try it on. Wow, it fits perfectly.
I'm a little worm. Oh no, I'm falling.
Gotcha.
Where's the fin?
Let's check here.
Got it.
So, let's see. Play-Doh clay. Nice pink. I'll cover the tip of the tail. Shaping the texture with a tool. There we go. It already looks like a reef. Adding wavy details on top. Cool. The top needs a pearly shimmer. I'll use this pearl powder, dabbing it onto a sponge and rubbing it into the tail. Oh, yes.
We need more sparkle.
Already on it. Gluing rhinestones. A shiny shell on top. Lali is glowing with sparkle.
Oh, what's this?
Let's see. Wow, it's a surprise. Opening it. Aw, it's a dumpling, so cute.
Yes, it's adorable.
Uh-huh, but why do we need it?
Let's check the sketch. See?
It looked a little bit different here.
We need LaLiLu.
A dumpling split into tiny squishies.
Aw, so cute. Attach them quickly.
They'll perfectly complete the hairstyle.
Awesome, my new friends.
Great job, you guys.
What's next?
Look, the sketch shows long hair. Let's add these bright strands. Just need to style them a bit. A little fixing gel. Spread it evenly. And wow, Lali's mermaid look is ready.
Yay, I'm a real pink diamond. Time to swim into adventure. Oh, where's baby?
Still sleeping. Hey, buddy, time to wake up.
What? I'm ready. But for what?
Look,
We're turning into mermaids. Here's your sketch.
Will it really suit me?
Oops, that's mine.
that's funny. Baby, here's your look. We made Lali's tail from a balloon, so let's try something similar for you. Here, foil balloons. Voila!
I look like a Greek god.
Yep, wrapping the legs with shiny film. Rhinestones on the belt.
Let me see. Well, you know, there's never too many rhinestones. Oh, wait.
Lali, that's enough. Ooh, it turned out amazing. Now the fin. I'll make it from a balloon too. A star? Nope. A heart? Much better. Deflating it, adding glue, and fixing it to the tip. Done.
More sparkle. Rhinestones.
No, that's enough for me.
Gotcha.
Lali,
Phew, is she gone?
Let's check the sketch.
we're missing the top. Let's think. Oh, my bracelet. I'll cut it into thin strips. Glue them onto the torso and add shoulder decor.
So, do I look handsome?
Of course.
Lali, we're ready for the ball.
Yay, let's practice our dance.
Wow, Lali and Baby are doing great.
We'll be the best couple.
Lali, dancing later. We still need to transform the others.
But,
This way. Next up, Rumi and Jinu.
all right, guys, ready to become mermaids?
Yes.
Where do we start? Let me take a closer look. Got it, I have an idea. And voila!
Oh, what do you have there? Let's see. Huh?
Oh, a golden joystick. Where's the PlayStation?
Wow!
Right here. You can play for now.
I'll come back for you later. Let's work on Rumi.
What?
Hey, I'm here. Over here. Ready to transform? Lali kiss.
Wow. Whoa, what's this?
A surprise pearl.
Wow. Ooh, how beautiful. Let's grab a diamond. Another one? And one more? Wow, 3 in total.
Awesome.
Let's open the first one. And inside, golden material. Look, it looks just like scales. Wrapping Rumi's legs like this. Oh no, the tip won't hold. Oh, why isn't it working?
Hey, LaLiLu, what's wrong? Oh, I see the problem. Oops. But I have a solution. Hot glue.
Look.
Apply a little here, carefully, and wrap it. There we go. Perfect.
Lali, you're a genius, thank you. Now just trim the excess. Done. So, how do you like your new tail? Awesome. Oops. Gotcha. Almost forgot we need a fin. What should we make it from?
I brought options.
Oh, let's see. Still thinking.
Every artist deserves respect. Fine, I'll draw new sketches.
So, ready? Let me see.
No!
Please. Wow, that's amazing. Bravo, Lali, incredible. Let's check the bag. A 3D pen, just what I wanted. Let's pick a color. Maybe white?
No way, it has to be yellow.
Yes, exactly. Loading the cartridge. I'll just chill meanwhile. Extruding the plastic. Yep, almost gold. And drawing the fin. There we go. The base is ready. Now we need to fill it in. Look! Oh, perfect. It looks even more gorgeous with a base. The tail turned out stunning. But we still need side fins and a top.
I know how to make them.
Yes!
Lali love!
Thanks, Lali. Yay! Incredible shine, so cool.
I brought a golden brooch. Now it's even more luxurious.
I think we can add even more gems. Hey, Lali, you're lying on the treasure.
No wonder it felt so comfy. I love swimming in diamonds.
They'll look amazing on Rumi. Adding them to the top. Oh, luxury style.
Whoa.
Rumi turned into a stunning golden mermaid.
And I'll send Jinu a little delivery. And right here. Click.
Almost got it. All right, maybe next time. Wait, where's Lali? What's this?
Huh?
She couldn't make it and sent a package instead. Let's take a look inside.
Whoa, I got a letter.
Jinu, you'll transform on your own. Here are your materials.
What? But I don't know how. What am I supposed to do now?
Gotcha, it was a prank. All right, let's start with the sketch. Jinu, strike a pose. Yep, just like that. All done.
Wow, will a fin really work from a sponge?
Of course, it's perfect for making tails. Trim the edges. Slice along the side. Remove the fabric. That's it. Wrap the legs and secure it in the back. Now we need a fin. I'll draw it with a gold marker. Nice. Boom. And attach it.
Wow.
That's not all. You can never have too much gold. Let's hide the seam.
Lali, you're a total pro.
And there's more.
Wow, what gorgeous rhinestones. Such dazzling shine. Tail is done. Now let's work on the top. Voila, much better.
Still not fancy enough.
No.
Here's a little gift from Lali.
Wire? Great idea. Wrap it around the arms. Now they're bracelets. And add golden epaulets.
I feel amazing.
Yes! Yes!
Let's swim over to Rumi.
Oh,
Wow, Jinu, you look incredible.
Ooh, Rumi, you're absolutely stunning.
The guys are ready for the underwater ball. What a glamorous couple. Tail high five.
We've got one last couple left.
Let's go.
Hey guys, miss me? All right, who's first for a makeover?
Me first, pick me.
Fine then. Lily looks sad. I've got a better idea. Here, take this.
It's a dumpling. Look how fun it is. What are those squishy cheeks?
Catch you later. I'm gonna go play.
Hey Lily, don't be sad. We'll start with you. Really? Yep, I've got an idea.
Lali, where are you going? All right, let's start ourselves. Let's change the doll into a swimsuit. Perfect.
Ooh, what's that?
I don't know. Don't worry, Lily, I'll check it. And inside we have…
Ta-da! Did I scare you? Oh, Lali.
I've got an idea. Let's take everything out of this makeup bag. I'll need it.
No, that's my favorite. LaLiLu.
I need it.
I won't give it to you.
Lali, we'll buy you a new one, I promise. It's for creativity. Cut off the zipper. Carefully. Nice, this texture looks just like scales. Wrap the doll's legs. Glue along the back seam. Done. Now what about the fin?
Oh, right. Surprise! I made it already. Attach it right here. Do I look like a bride?
Very much. Give me your veil. I'll decorate the tail with this mesh. Add some pearly shells.
And a pearl string. Wow, this is amazing! Such a gorgeous tail.
It shines so bright you can see it even on land. But that's not all. My seashell collection. Finally useful. I'll paint them purple. Add a pearly tint. It turns into a real mermaid top. A rhinestone in the center.
I love it! Purple diamond style. Yay, done! Oh, where's Rory? He was somewhere around here. Where did he go?
Oh, who's that? Move the dumpling aside. Oh, it's Rory. There you are.
Those stress toys relaxed him too much. No time to rest. We've got important work.
Wow, the reference is already ready? It looks awesome.
Let's start with the tail.
Perfect, and here's our purple diamond. Let's open it quickly. There's shiny tape inside. Looks like scales. Stick it here.
Yes, like that. Wrap it, I'll hold it.
Okay. Oh no, we ran out of tape. What do we do?
Here, take another one. Oops, you didn't see anything.
Oh right, thanks. I totally forgot about it. Well, something's missing.
Rhinestones.
Perfect. Wow, it looks so stylish. Now let's move on to the fin. Oh, Lali, you already prepared the material? Wow, an A4 folder. Interesting. So what's next?
Here's the template. Trace it.
Thanks, Lali. Tracing it with a marker. Yep. Cutting along the outline. And here's the base. Wow, we did great. Just like in the picture. Awesome! I'll be the fastest in the ocean.
Such a fabulous tail.
Yay, we did it! All the looks are ready. Rumi and Jinu, golden mermaid style. Lali and Baby, even their fins sparkle pink. Lily and Rory with shiny purple tails. Time to dance, everyone! We did an amazing job on these mermaid looks today. Rumi and Jinu are rocking the dance floor. Oh, Lali and Baby, what a lovely pair. Lily and Rory are lighting up the underwater ball. Gold, pink, or purple? Which style did you like the most? See you soon, Lolix. I'll be waiting for your comments. Bye-bye.